That actually tastes like a really nice coffee.
You're joking?
No, you don't have to go to a coffee shop ever again.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're testing out the brand new Lidl Espresso machine. There's a lot of hype behind this one, but there's a slight catch. I haven't got a clue how to use this, but luckily we've got a coffee expert who does.
Hey Matt.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm really good.
Nice to see you.
Fancy seeing you here.
Thanks for having me, man.
This is Jamie.
Nice to meet you all.
Right, so this is a brand new espresso machine from Lidl. I know. First impressions, what do you think?
It's very small and pink.
It is.
But wow, I mean, it's definitely a lot different from what I've been, working with before. But
yeah.
I really want to see how this works.
I'm quite excited.
Yeah.
Shall we unbox it and we'll run everybody through
Absolutely.
how it works? Now, can we just mention, before we start all of this,
Right.
this was reduced down to $49.99 on Lidl's.
Whoa!
So cheap, so cheap.
Lidl.
I know, you're spoiling us. So, in the box, we've got
the lovely instruction manual. These units come in black, pink and a mint green. And the rest of the machine is really well packaged with the rest of the accessories hiding inside.
oh, and it comes with many things. Actually, I think this looks quite cool. They've gone for the retro look, haven't they? This
Yeah.
So you can get coffee machines for this sort of price point, but they don't look as fantastic as this. Also, yes, I know, I keep calling it a coffee machine. It's an espresso machine. Espresso.
The other accessories include the group handles. You also get a coffee scoop as well, and it comes with 1 or 2 cup options. Now, it's worth mentioning this machine has a 1 litre water tank, a 100 centimetre cable, and does come with a 3-year warranty. It delivers 15 bars of pressure and uses 1,100 watts. I think it's quite smart, but what does the expert think?
This is definitely different to what I'm obviously used to.
Okay.
It looks like a child's first coffee machine. So, I mean, honestly, because you have your steam arm, you have your temp buttons there, you've got your steam button, you've got your espresso button, you've got your group handles, you put your coffee beans in, you can change the coffee handles with these.
The second you top it up and you turn it on, it will start immediately heating up the water until about 80 degrees apparently. And once it's up to there, there's a little light on the front which will show you when it's ready to start espressoing.
Oh.
It's very exciting.
I'm actually well excited to use this. But the thing is, I feel like we need another compartment because we need to actually grind some beans and actually grind them inside the handles.
Oh, we do. Oh, good news.
Whoa,
I've
what?
got something. I don't know where. I found it.
What is it?
Good, look at this.
Oh!
It's the Also Pink electric coffee grinder. So we can grind our coffee beans as well. So we'll be testing that out as well with the machine today. These are being sold in store next to each other. This was only $9.99, so we've got a full setup here. Oh, I know, it's gonna be good.
Jeez.
We've got a full setup here for your espressos. So we've got our coffee grinder at the ready. We've gone very posh, darling.
Yeah, yes.
We've got our Costa coffee beans. So it says for this, it's about 65 to 70 seconds. You've got to hold this down to grind up your beans.
Yep.
We've noticed a few cool things though, haven't we?
Yes, we have. So, obviously, if you press it, it grinds. However, if you take the top off,
No grinding.
no grinding.
It is good. It means you can't put your meaty sausages in there. And it seems quite well built for $9.99.
I know, look how powerful it goes, look. Oh, the safety on. Well, there we go.
Now it was time to start making our coffee, which meant testing out the new grinder.
Oh, in they go.
How many do you reckon we need? You're the coffee expert here.
I'd say that's probably enough.
Really?
Yes, absolutely. We don't need too much. Whoa! Look at it go. That is grinding really well. Really, really good. Really, really top quality, especially for £10 as well. And you can always eat the beans as well if you wanted to.
No, what? No way.
Yeah. Costa beans, man. Oh.
The next step was to fill up the machine's 1 litre reservoir at the back. I would recommend using bottled water or filtered water just to prevent limescale building up in your machine.
Perfect, right, so we're gonna take our coffee. We have 2 different group handles here. This is for 2 cups, so we're gonna use the 2 cups one because we need 2 cups on either side of the coffee. You slot it straight in. You see this little thing here? Slot it. Then we're going to use a scoop. Then let's see how it's smooth on the top. Right, now we're going to put this in the machine. I'm assuming the red flash means it's on, and this little coffee thing, which means I believe it's starting to heat up. So I think this should go standstill once it's all heated up.
Going very quickly.
Wow, that heats up really fast.
That was, what was that, about 20 seconds?
I know. We're gonna need a couple of cups.
Let's look at the state of these.
I mean...
I forgot to bring COSTA cups. That fits. We've had to be imaginative here.
Rightio, right, let's whack this in, shall we? So if we look underneath here, there we go. So you click straight in until you feel a little bit of resistance. That means it's locked in and it's ready to go. So once our group handle is in, we need to put 2 cups either side. So you see these under here, these little black, that's what's gonna capture the liquid magic.
Can only apologise about the state of the cups.
But on the first attempt, unfortunately, there was an incident.
There's been an explosion.
Oh no.
There's been a massive explosion.
Oh my God.
There's coffee everywhere.
Oh man.
This hasn't gone... I thought we knew how to do coffee.
Now, this was just a silly mistake, which we'll explain in a second.
I'm willing to give it another go, so let's try this again. More scoops. Previously, why the machine exploded is because I had my group handle unsteady, so obviously it exploded. So you're meant to lock it in, but make sure you hear that click. So make sure for safety, it is always in there. Okay, right, are we ready?
We're so ready.
Hopefully no more explosion.
We've got 1.5 happening.
It has to be 20 seconds for the coffee to come through, otherwise you're just gonna get burnt coffee.
And it will continuously carry on unless you manually turn it off.
Absolutely, and here we have it, an espresso. That is a full shot right there. It's definitely good. You can just smell it.
This is how you usually make coffee, isn't it?
Yeah, sometimes, but just not in a bowl.
Is this a good idea?
I don't think so. Right, so do you want a cappuccino?
Yeah.
I'll froth it up for you, lads. So you give it a froth. As you can see, it's really frothing up now, and it's really starting to. Look, see, there you go. If I pull it out a little bit.
Wow.
Then obviously you would wipe the steamer, but I don't have a wiper with me. For Lidl, Christ almighty, this thing can steam, actually. Like, wow. Like, I'm actually super impressed. A guy who's worked in a coffee shop. Whoa. All right, are you ready to pour this bad boy on top of an espresso?
It's going to go everywhere, but just commit, it's fine. Wow, it's just like a real Costa.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, look at the froth.
That's like a little cappuccino. So you see there, you got your coffee on the bottom, you got a nice little cappuccino. Now let's give it a shot. Oh,
Is it good?
that's so good.
Is it good? Don't cut your lip on it though.
That actually tastes like a really nice coffee.
You're joking.
No, like, not at all, because the milk froth and the coffee in the bottom. Lidl, I have to fair play to you. You've actually made yourself a decent product here. I know we've used terrible equipment and obviously terrible cups, but can you imagine with the right equipment?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you don't have to go to a coffee shop ever again.
Big claims.
Crazy.
Huge claims.
I actually might get one myself. This is a... And then obviously when you take it out, it's definitely used all the coffee, because obviously this is what it normally looks like when you've used the whole espresso. Wow! I'm actually so impressed.
And after that glowing review from Jamie, I decided that I wanted one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This is exciting. This is a big moment for me.
I hope you like it.
That's so good.
You see what I mean? It's actually, do you know what? For the price.
That is insane. That's amazing. But overall, for the price, as an actual barista, do you recommend it?
I do recommend it. Absolutely. Especially like this steamer is so powerful. I mean, just look at it.
It is good.
Look at that. I mean, you can like, oh. It's a bit delicate, but I think once you know how to steam and you know how to grind the beans, you should be a superstar. So I do recommend actually giving this a go.
And the grinder wasn't bad either, and it's really quiet.
Oh, it's not on prop.
Especially when it's not on prop.
Yeah, exactly.
But cleaning it, pretty easy. The removable tray is super, super handy. You can take the whole lot out and dismantle it, so it makes it for really, really easy cleaning, which is always a bonus.
Oh, always a bonus. Actually, I mean, for $49.99, amazing.
Yeah.
And normally machines cost around 5 to 10k, especially in Starbucks and Costa. I mean, if you want to become like an at-home barista, this is the machine for you. My advice, get some proper equipment. Don't get this. Definitely don't get the bowl either. You need like a little steamer jug. You can probably get down the shops for probably a £5.
Oh, easy, yeah.
Easy £5. And then look at videos online. Just do a quick tutorial on how to use the steamer and how to use the grinder and how to put the coffee in. And then you're sorted, you're golden. You'll be a at-home barista before work.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Insane, amazing.
Yeah, honestly, it's so good.
It's
yeah.
so good.
I want one of these.
Really pleased.
Yeah.
Well, they're probably all sold out now.
Yeah, I'll find a way. I'll find a little.
Well, thank you so much for watching this video.
Thank
There's
you.
plenty more videos down below, so go and check those out and make sure you subscribe. And thank you so much.
Hey man, you've been amazing.
Yeah, you've
My
been
guy.
amazing too.
In a bit. Yeah, in a bit.
We did coffee.
Yes.
Sort of.
Peace. Bye. Bye.